Your Lordship, this is an application for anticipatory bail for offences under Section 376, 313, 420 and other sections of the IPC, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the prosecution case in brief is that the informant, as per her...
Just a minute, give me a minute, I'll just go through the FIR.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. So as per the first information report itself, Your Lordship, the informant was in a consensual relationship with the petitioner, allegedly. And it is stated that since 2018 they were in a relationship, and it is alleged that he was keeping the petitioner was keeping the informant, stating her to be her wife, and eventually in 2020, Your Lordship, it is stated that he ousted her. She contacted the family members.
Have you ever read that? Tell us,
yes.
What is the ground for bail?
Your Lordship, no offense. Yes, Your Lordship, consensual, and as per the judgments of the Honourable Apex
Court.
Court.
Right. As per the judgment, you might get an acquittal, but anticipatory, you might be granted regular bail, but a lady alleging that you have made her pregnant, you made her abort, but you're not marrying, you have presented her as your wife. I mean, it's all right, consensual live-in is all right, but then where is the agreement? I mean, you may be considering it to be a consensual thing, or maybe you would consider it to be a live-in kind of relationship, but that's not the feeling of the prosecutrix. She stayed with you only on the assurance of marriage. Otherwise she would not have complained.
But Your Lordship,
she's not a freelancer. So therefore 376 per se may not apply, but we are not inclined with this kind of an accusation for anticipatory bail. You're right, consensual no rape, but anticipatory bail we are not given. Anything else that you want to do in future? You're an officer of IB. Should you be doing this? That's what it's stated in the FIR.
Your Lordship, it will only be my submission then the investigation may be perused if there has been anything brought on record, that allegation of 313 or 376.
Heard MS Vaishnavi Singh, learned advocate for the petitioner, and Mr.
Anand Kishore Chaudhary.
And Mr. Anand Kishore Chaudhary for the
estate.
You're for the estate?
Estate, my lord.
अरे आप तो ऐसे खड़े थे जैसा लग रहा है कि लड़की के तरफ से खड़ा है. For the estate, the petitioner seeks bail in anticipation of his arrest in connection with so and so. Yes?
Informant.
You are standing behind. Why? Suppose I would have granted bail on the ground of consent. You were watching the opinion of or watching the view of the court. इनका नाम लिखिए. And so and so for
Kumari Anupam. Kumari Anupam.
Kumari Anupam for the informant. The petitioner seeks bail in anticipation of her arrest in anticipation of his arrest in connection with so and so. First of the accusation against the petitioner is of having kept the prosecutrix as his wife for 3 years, but refusing to marry her. She was also made to abort when she had developed pregnancy. Mr. Plaintiff Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the very narration in the first information report reflects that the relationship between the parties was consensual, and the prosecutrix is a Mazar. It has further been submitted that assuming every accusation in the FIR to be true, no offence under section 376 of the IPC can at all be said to have been made out. True it is that the prosecutrix is a Mazar who has taken her own decision in life, but regard being had to the background facts, the nature of accusation, and the fact that she was forcibly made to abort, attracting the mischief of section 313 of the IPC, and that she subjected herself to the sexual relation with the petitioner only on the assurance of marriage, I am not inclined to grant anticipatory bail to the petitioner. The prayer for anticipatory bail is rejected.
Much obliged, Your Lordship. A simple prayer, Your Lordship, that name of senior counsel may also kindly be recorded.
That I may not do because I don't see him now. I will not say that I have heard only Vaishnavi Singh. Heard the counsel for the petitioner.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
All right.
Lord, what serial number 150 and 151 is
But MS Singh, are you aware that the proceedings of the court are being live streamed? Are you aware of this?
No, Your Lordship.
It is being live streamed.
Your Lordship.
You're there on the YouTube right now.
Your Lordship.
It's a real-time live streaming.
But the senior counsel is present, Your Lordship. He's on leg before another.
All right, all right.
Lord,
Yes,
Lord, Serial 150 and 151 is examination matter, my Lord. I have mentioned earlier last week, my Lord. But much below in the list, my Lord.
we'll see, make a mention sometimes when the court is rising on Thursday or Friday, we'll see.
हुजूर इसी सप्ताह में एग्जाम हो जाएगा और इनको लोग का हुआ नहीं.
All right, tomorrow, make a mention tomorrow early in the morning. Remind me that I have asked you to do so. We'll have the case file brought here. All right.